Hi, it's Angela French from Really Good Stuff. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are finding some joy and some silver lining in being cooped up at home together. There's so many fun things to do. If you search the internet, if you look at our blogs, watch YouTube, just following all of the teachers' feeds, I've loved seeing what everybody's doing, seeing how creative parents are getting out there. And again, I'm still enjoying the hilarious memes, so keep those coming, whoever's making those. But what I want to talk to you today about is our at-home learning kits. So what we've done is if you go to reallygoodstuff.com and you put in the search engine at-home learning kits, we've put all our different kits in there that you can use at home, whether it's for your own child, whether it's for students. You can use some of the things to teach with from home. There's a great collection there. Now, we have been selling a lot of these. For all the principals out there or district leaders, what we've seen happen is those of you that are giving away lunches or breakfast to students, who maybe don't have everything they need at home, a lot of you are buying these kits to give to the kids when they come to pick up their lunch. So we all know we have plenty of students who either are not participating or who can't participate because they don't have technology to get on some of the programs you guys are using to teach from home, or they have no way to watch your videos. So what we wanted to do is show you some of our kits so that you can possibly get them for yourself, or go to your district leaders, maybe tell them this is a great idea to keep those kids that can't join us online activities that they can keep going. So I'm going to go over some of them with you. We have pages, I think over 80 of them up there for you right now. So I'm going to go over some, and the first thing I want to tell you is they all come with this cover card. Now, some of them have family engagement, summer success, things like that, but they are all perfect for at-home learning. Now, the back has a letter written in English and in Spanish, because we know some of you have those students who have only Spanish-speaking parents, so they'll be able to read about what's in the kit, different activities they can do at home. It's a great thing. So let's just go over a couple different ones here. So this one is a math skills set. So let's see what we have in here. We've got a game, Tricky Sticks Missing Number. Great skill for kids that, need to learn 21, 22. What comes next? This is a great game that what the students do is the children, if you're using your children at home, pull out a stick. If they solve it correctly, they get to keep the stick. You go around, however many people are playing, 2, 3, 4 of you. At the end, whoever has the most sticks wins. But here's the tricky stick. If you pull a tricky stick, it may say return 2 of your sticks to the box. So that's how you're going to see how you can gain and lose sticks throughout the game. The best thing about this game is the back of each stick is self-checking. So if there's a squabble between siblings, that should have been 5, no, it was 6. They can check the back of the stick, and hidden within the print is the answer. So self-checking. That's awesome. Let's see what else we have here. We have a game, Missing Number in Sequence Mental Math Sticks. So the best thing about this is it's already put in the right order. So you can see you start where the star is. 80, 90, what comes next? Oh, 100. So I find the answer on this side of the stick, and I put that next. And by the end, you've made the zigzag pattern until you get to the flag. And these are also self-checking. If you turn all the sticks over side to side, there'll be a inspirational saying there like, way to go, or you did it. So that's fun. Let's see what else we have in here. Journal, great one. Skills Practice Math Journal. Now again, you'll be able to know that this is why teachers have created these products, because you'll see. So right here, we have counting the items, tallying the items, what comes next in a pattern. Here's 10 frames, graphing. So this is great. If they did one of these pages each day, you've got 32 days worth of curriculum here. So this is a fun kit, and this is a skills-based kit. Here's another one. This is reading skills word families. So again, we've got your parent letter. Let's see what we've got in here. Here's the word family activity journal. This is a ton of fun to practice with the kids. So you see they're going to practice their handwriting. They're going to come up with the other words in the word family. We've given some over here. So over here they can use some of those or come up with some of their own. So again, lots of different families in here to get those vowel sounds in. Helps with reading down the road. Let's see what this one is. This is the CVC rhyme match activity. So this is the same sort of thing. You see this little tick right here? Net and bet. Rhyme. So let's go over here. Pit with sit. Nat with mat. Pig with wig, etc. So this is a fun set. Again, there's 5 or 6 puzzles in here. 6. And they are all self-checking. Let's see what else. Oh, card game. Go for it. This is a fun card game. Look how many cards you get in here. So this is a fun game that you can play with the whole family after dinner. And again, all of this is word families. So that is a fun word family game for you. So you can see these kits have a game with them usually. And it also has sometimes a journal. Different things you can do independently or with a group. So this is a great one. This is great for teachers. This is great for students. This is our math skills dry erase practice. So let me pull out of here all the dry erase boards you get. Again, it comes with that letter, but here's something different in this one. We don't want to just give kids dry erase boards and say, here, like, what do you do with them? So this activity guide will take you through different things you can do on the different boards. And then we've also given you some numbers. So you can cut the numbers up, put them in a cup, and when the student draws them out, they can use these dry erase boards. So let's see, the first one we've got here is tenths, hundredths. We have also got some bar graphs, line graphs, pie graphs, multiplication, division. There's a ton of these. There's actually 2 different levels of these, the primary and the intermediate one. So this one is better for the older students. So when they draw 2 numbers from the sheet, they can draw 3 and 4, and that's 3/4. So this one also has adding and subtracting fractions. I know somebody the other day was like, I don't remember how to tell my kids how to add and subtract fractions. And a lot of these have blank on the other side, so you can use these for other things as well. What else do we have in here? Oh, place value. This actually comes with 5 dry erase boards. So here's our place value, again, blank on the back. So this goes all the way to the billions. So again, this is great. There are activities in the little guide that comes with it. And then of course we can't give you those without some dry erase markers. So we want to make sure that you have those or your kids have those to use. So these are some of our at-home learning kits. Like I said, if you go to the website, we have a whole bunch of them, different skill levels. There's some that have math and ELA. We have everything from, transitioning into kindergarten all the way up through 5th grade. So there's a lot of great activities there. We are still shipping. So if you need anything for at-home learning, etc., you know where to find us. Now, one other thing I want to tell you is take advantage of all of these people who are doing lessons online, activities online. I know today I watched an activity on Mrs. Jump's class page, which was a ton of fun. She read a book I'd never heard of. It was, I think, The Easter Bunny's Assistant. Very fun. But the great thing is she also gave you all the reproducibles and all the things you need to do the lesson either online with your students or with your kids at home. Tons of great stuff happening. We love all our friends over at Get Your Teach On. In fact, at 8 o'clock tonight, our friend Steve Spangler is going to be on their Facebook Live. I think that one's on Hope and Wade King's Facebook page. I'm sure there's information about it if you go to the Get Your Teach On page. There's a ton of stuff happening. A ton of people are stepping up and giving you free resources. If you go to our website, we have, I think, close to 500 or so free resources for you. So definitely take advantage of those. Definitely hang in there. In fact, what I want to do tonight is I want to give away 2 of our at-home learning kits. So I'm not going to tell you which one because I don't know which one you need. But if you're a winner, you will be able to pick which kit you want us to send you because you can do it for your classroom or your children. What I want you to do is I want you to comment below with something fun you've been doing during this isolation time to connect with your family. I've seen, family walks. I've seen neighborhoods that are putting hearts in the window and the kids count the hearts as they go. I've seen people out doing yard work, teaching their kids a new skill. There's so much fun going on. I know we're cooking a lot more at home. I know some of us are watching a lot more movies. So just tell me what you're doing to help you cope through this situation. And I hope you all are staying happy and healthy. So make sure you comment below with what you're doing and join us here next time. Bye.